Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this beautiful look in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. You can create this soft, everyday glam look in just 5 minutes. This look is so easy to create, plus it is so affordable. So let's get started. First of all, priming my eyelids with my favorite L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I'm blending it with my Real Technique setting brush. For eyeshadow, I'm using this new latest favorite eyeshadow palette. This palette is so teeny tiny yet so amazing, called Revlon Colorstay Maverick palette. And with the second lightest matte shade of the palette, I've started building my crease using back and forth and circular motions. Now taking slightly precise brush as compared to the first one, I am taking this mustardy shade of the palette, and this time I am focusing it directly on my actual crease. Now taking the very first fluffy brush, I am blending the harshness of between the two colors together. Now with the same precise brush, I am taking this darkest brown shade of the palette and start applying it at the outer portion of my eyes to give a little bit more depth at the outer part of my eyes. Taking the first fluffy brush again and start blending all the harshness of the crease together, so it will look evenly blended and beautiful. Now with the lightest bone shade of the palette, I am highlighting my brow bone. So now for the eyelids, I am using this peachy shade from the Zay Beauty Show palette because I want my look to be extra peachy. So that's why I am using this shade. If you want to complete the look by using a single palette only, then you can simply use the lightest shimmery shade of that particular palette of your own choice. For the inner corners, I have applied the shimmery golden shade of the Revlon palette. For eyeliner, this is my WB by Himani Bold Beauty Liner in the shade brown. If you are in a rush and you can't apply eyeliner so quickly, then you can totally skip this eyeliner part. For my lashes, I am using this Maybelline Colossal Go Extreme Mascara, and the Maybelline mascaras are so good generally and affordable at the same time. Moving towards the face, for primer I am using my favorite Maybelline Baby Skin Primer mainly on my T-zone area and blending it with my fingertips. Now generally for the everyday look, I don't apply foundation on a regular basis because I like my skin to be flawless but natural at the same time, so just skipping the foundation part and using the same L'Oreal concealer to hide my darkness and dark circles and blemishes, and blending it with my beauty sponge. Now to finish off my eyes, I am applying the very first transitional shade on my lower lash line. If you have nice chiselly face structure, you can totally skip this part too, but I am contouring my face so lightly with my e.l.f. contour palette in the shade medium. For everyday looks, tints, blushes are generally the most favorite part of my routine nowadays. And this even organic lip and cheek tint is my new obsession these days. I have been wearing this non-stop on a daily basis. Even if I am not wearing a single layer of makeup, still I like to apply this on the apple of my cheeks and on the lips for natural fleshy look on the daily basis. This pink lip shade will not go with the eye look, so I am going to change it in a minute. But first, for the glowy part, I am using the Balm Cosmetic liquid highlighter on the highest point of my face in order to get the glowy effect. For the lips, as I said earlier, tints are my favorite and go-tos these days. So using this Zay Beauty lip tint in orange soda and blending it with my fingers. And as you can see, this shade is going perfect with this look. So yeah guys, that completes this whole look in just 5 minutes. Hope you guys like this peachy brown everyday glam look by using only affordable makeup. If you do, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.